Hello, my name is Lisette Longoria and today I'm going to be teaching a 5th grade lesson on coordinate planes. Our text is number 8, Geometry and Measurements. The student applies mathematical process standards to identify locations on a coordinate plate. The student is expected to B. Describe the process of graphing ordered pairs of numbers in the first quadrant of the coordinate plane. Let's get started. As you were walking in, you grabbed a worksheet, and on this worksheet, you are going to name every part of the coordinate plane. Okay, now let's go over the answers. Letter A is the x-axis, letter B is the y-axis, C is the origin, D is quadrant 1, E, which I forgot to include at the bottom, is quadrant 2, F is quadrant 3, and G is quadrant 4. For the following activity, I want you to tell me which quadrant are the following order pairs in. My example is the little star that you see right there. That star is in quadrant 1. So now you have to tell me in which quadrant point A, B, C, and D are. Let's go over the answers. So we have point A in quadrant 3, point B in quadrant 4, point C in quadrant 2, and point D in quadrant 1. So next, let's talk about order pairs. Order pairs are going to be a set of two numbers that are in parentheses. For example, 4, 2. 4, or the first number of the order pair, is going to indicate the place in the x-axis or the horizontal line. And the second number of the order pair, or the number 2, is going to indicate its place in the y-axis or the vertical line. So like I said before, order pairs are a set of two numbers in parentheses. The first number is going to indicate the place on the x-axis, and the second number is going to indicate the place on the y-axis. So I want you to go to activity number 3 and tell me what are the order pairs for the following points. The start is my example. So we have the start is the first one. We're going to count on the horizontal line, which is the y-axis, and we count 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to put the number 4 first. Now we're going to count on the y-axis. So from the origin, we count 1, 2. So the order pair is going to be 4, 2. Now your turn to do A, B, C, and D. Let's go over the answers. Like I said before, the little star is my example, and we see that the star is at 4, 2, 4 on the x-axis, 2 on the y-axis. Let's just make sure and count. We have the origin at 0, 0. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is our first number. And then going up, we have 2. 1, 2. 2 is our second number. So the next one is A. And we have on the x-axis, which is the first number from the origin, we count 1. So our first number for A is going to be 1. And the second number, we have 1 going up. So it's another 1. For letter B, we're going to count how many places we move to the right. We have 1, 2 places to the right. And we have no places going up. We stay at 0. So it's going to be 2, 0. And there we go. Now for C, let's count. We have from the origin 0, 1, 2, 3, going up 1, 2, 3, 4. So their numbers for C, or order pair for C, is going to be 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, 4. And last but not least, we have letter D. So we count again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And going up, we have 1, 2, 3. So we have 6, comma, 3. Okay, now we're going to do it the other way around. So for activity number 4, you're going to graph the order pairs given to you at the bottom of the page. When we have A is 1, 3, B is 4, 6, C is 0, 4, D is 3, 2, and E is 5, 5. So you are going to graph those order pairs on the coordinate plane that was given to you. To make things easier, I went ahead and color coded my points so that it's easier. And we're going to go ahead and put this order pairs in the coordinate plane. So for my order pair A, or my point A, which is the order pair 1, 3, let's go ahead and count. Here is the origin. We're going to go 1 on the x-axis and 3, 2, 3 on the y-axis. So here's my point. B is at 4, 6. So we'll start it from the origin. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 on the x-axis, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the y-axis. Letter C is at 0, 4. So we are not moving any places on the x-axis, but we are going 4 up. So 0, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Our point D, order pair 3, 2. We start from 0, 1, 2, 3 on the x-axis, and 1, 2 on the y-axis. And last, we have E, which is 5, 4. So starting from 0, we're going to go 5 to the right and 5 to the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Going up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, guys, so for our last activity, I want everyone to come up one at a time to the smartboard and graph one set of order paired. So you're going to graph one point, but you're going to walk me through the process, and you're going to tell me what is it that you're doing and how you are graphing this point.
To graph a blue dot, and the coordinates for the blue dot are going to be 3, 5. So the order pair is 3, 5. So number 3 is the first number, which is on the x-axis. So from the origin, I'm going to move 3 places. 1, 2, 3 places to the right, and 5 places to the top on the y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 5. That's my blue point.
Great job, everyone. That's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.